we'll guide you through how to hide grid in Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, locate Blender on your desktop. Take a moment to find the Blender icon among the files, folders, or shortcuts displayed on your screen. Once you have located it, drag your mouse pointer over to the Blender icon. When your cursor is positioned on the icon, click it to open Blender on your desktop. Wait for the application to finish loading completely before proceeding to the next step. Once Blender has loaded and the interface is visible, locate the Viewport Overlays button within the viewport area. This button is typically found near the upper right section of the viewport. After identifying it, drag your mouse pointer to the Viewport Overlays button. Tap on it to expand and display additional overlay options. With the overlay menu now open, look for the Guide section near the top of the available options. Carefully find the Grid checkbox within this section. Move your mouse pointer to the Grid checkbox and tap on it to turn the grid display off. After disabling the grid, continue by locating the Floor checkbox in the same overlay settings area. Move your mouse pointer to the Floor checkbox and click on it to disable the floor display as well. Next, find the Axis option, which controls the visibility of the X and Y axes within the viewport. Once you have located it, click on both the X and Y axis options to turn them off. This action will remove the axis indicators from the viewport. After completing these changes, take a moment to check the viewport and confirm that all selected overlays have been disabled correctly. The grid should no longer be visible. The floor display should be turned off, and both the X and Y axes should be hidden. If everything has been completed properly, your viewport should now appear clean and uncluttered, without any grid lines or axis guides visible.